Hello guys, this is Carter Rajesh. My roll number is 29788156, branch aeronautical engineering, and today we are discussing about the unmanned aircraft system make research and business advances. Come to the topic. Drones are also known as UAVs, unmanned air vehicles. It is an aircraft without an onboard pilot, unlike the conventional airplanes. Its flight is either predefined or on controller automatically by computers or under the remote remote control of pilot on the ground. Drones covers a very broad category of unmanned aerial vehicle that can be used for anything from military or commercial purpose to personal entertainment. An inventor of drones, Abraham Karim is the inventor of drones. He is regarded as the father of UAV technology. In 1973, during the Yom Kippur War for the Israel Air Force, he built the first drone. Drones autonomy. A propeller drones. A propeller. Drones typically consist of two puller and two pusher props. B. Motor. Drones use motors to turn propeller. C. Electronic speed controllers. Needed to control the brushless motors. D. Flight controller autopilot. Assist to manual flights along with some autonomous function. Come to E. Airframes. Consist of housing enclosing the electronics motor booms and platform. F comes battery pack. Powers the drone's electronics and keep the propellant to turning after live dipole battery. And G. Camera gimbal. The rotating platform for the camera allows you to angle the cameras during flight. And stress, landing strut. Legs that the drone rests on when it is grounded. And front indicator. Operates use different method to indicate the front of UAV such as LEDs, reflective material, different colored props, and so on. And first person video camera that allows images to be transmitted to the user. Receiver translates the user's instructions for the flight control. This is the drone autonomy. All parts are joined together, and we finally conclude the UAV. Come to working principle. These are the right motions and left motions, and different flight modes: arco mode, altitude hold, drift mode, auto hold, circle mode, guided mode, RTL mode, loiter mode. And advanced feature: mission planning easy with mission planner, which is free of open source software compatible with APM. Waypoint: a GPS model is essentially for providing the autopilot with location data that allows the autopilot to interact with the real world and telemetry to communicate with the ground station from the air using the Mavlink protocol. Gimbal: a drone supports us to 3-axis gimbals and triggering of a camera shutter automatically. And software details: Viewpoint is a ground-based control software that displays video feed from the surveillance drones and allows user to control and command the test series gimbals. The software is sophisticated and allows for the camera to be controlled via joystick and real-time images mosaic and geography stamping that will be automatically orient the camera to the selected object on map, and object tracking, path tracking. Between the software of and the actual physical units, surveillance possibilities are quite sophisticated and allow for the tracking of people and objects in a variety of different environments. Application on agriculture field. Mid-season crop health monitoring, ACA scouting, and irrigation equipment monitoring, and midfield weed identification, variable rate fertility, cattle herd monitoring, and applications in sports. Drones were used in the 2014 Winter Olympic in Sochi for filming and skiing and snowboarding events. Drones allow to get videos closer to the athletes. Athletes, they are more flexible than cable suspended camera system. Team coach can view the team's performance on the pitch as well as analyze the players. Sports advertising agencies use drone to take pictures and shoot sports videos for using a promotional material on the website. Drones in the military. Anytime a drone can be used to protect the lives of the military, they will be armed with live videos remote. Communicate to ground troops. Essentially gear or weapons the main the main drone used overseas in war zones in recognition reconnaissance of unknown areas, buildings, enemy tracking, and force protection. Drones are great tool to assist in searches for the lost or injured soldier as well as a real-time view of various mission and situation, allowing for the commanders to make better decision in the resource allocation. Drones for humanity. Delivery drones. The project intended intends to be an alternative to the transport drone with the mini van. It was created by MIT graduates Stars Sim- Simpson. Pizza deliveries via drone are now being trialed in New Zealand by Domino's. Healthcare. Drones can transport medicines and vaccines and retrieve medical samples in, in, into and out of the remote regions. Ambulance drones rapidly deliver medicines in the crucial few minutes after cardiac arrest. And disaster relief. Drones can be used as a relief in nature disasters like flood, hurricane, earthquake, etc. Advantages. They provide the attack capability for high risk mission, and they originate mostly in the military applications. They are used in the commercial and the scientific and the recreational. They are able to fly into such dangerous zone where it would be it of high risk for the pilot to take the craft and to gather the information. They can fly in air to complete the respective job in every natural circumstances. They reduce man loss. They are very cheaper to purchase, fuel, and and, com- and maintain cost of are low the regular airplanes. Disadvantages. They help in surveillance but they can't establish communication with the people for far-reached intelligence. The human mistake in remote can cause the drone to crash. The computer system can be breakdown causing the loss of planes or casualty of ground on ground. The drone can be taken control by the enemies in war. Abandoned war materials cannot be captured by drones. Thank you.